Okay, we got a bunch of snow overnight. I pulled the carburetor off, had another one in the shop, so I hooked it up now, and I got the charger on it. And we were laughing when we towed this thing because there was a block heater cord hanging out of it, and we made a comment and a joke about it, and now here I am using it, and I can actually hear it sizzling, and it actually works. So we wanted to try and move this thing into the shop, so I am going to see if it will start. Here, I'll let it charge for a bit and give it a little shot of gas. Not as much as yesterday. And yeah, we'll see, let the block warm up for a bit. I think it feels like negative 20 here right now, so it's a little bit chilly. We'll see if the old girl will start. Okay, we'll be back. And first, come out and see what's going on. Oh, Chris has got the extinguisher, and we'll see if we can make it run. No more rat poison.
Oh yeah, I forgot he did that. Crazy hound dog. Do it.
Well.
Oh.
Huh. A little cold. Probably no gas there yet.
Well.
Leaking?
Yeah, quite a bit.
Where at?
Right where the rubber hose goes onto the fuel thing?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty crunchy there. And the clamp is pretty rusty. Yeah, we might get a little more on it with a better screwdriver.
I'll get a socket.
Okay. I'll grab a rag. We'll be back. Got a leaker. Maybe it's gonna work.
Try that. I should go more, but okay. Yeah, let's try that. Do we need more?
Probably got a pretty good split in the hole a little bit.
Right.
Any squirts?
No. So here, I'll give it a squirt.
Okay. Funny they're not squirting yet.
Yeah, because yesterday it was squirting like crazy. Yeah, I'm not seeing no squirts.
Well, you know, that pedal doesn't feel like it's pulling it very far. Oh. Is this plate?
We're hitting something.
The plate. It doesn't work. Yeah, it's not letting it.
Oh, yeah, because it won't let this flip up. It won't let the squirters go down.
Yeah.
Oh. That's shitty.
So we're going to get rid of that plate.
Yeah.
Okay. We're back. Half inch.
Half inch?
Yeah, I got a ratchet nut sitting on the thing still. Not overly, but I know when I did it yesterday, man, it sure didn't seem like you could get, it doesn't have full throttle now, it doesn't have enough stroke. I know that for sure. And And these plates, I used to use them a lot back in the day. But
Oh, did you see it squirt when I touched it?
did it? Yeah. See, I could make the back one if I went farther, but see my thumb. See, but I'm doing that by hand.
Yeah.
See how far I have to push it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, it's hitting here.
Yeah.
I don't think it's
But
on the other
it
one.
only goes this far. I can't even get.
Oh.
And on this one, it is moving it a bit, but not much.
So once we get rid of that plate, it'll be fine. Won't it?
Yeah.
What's the plate on?
The heat shield.
Oh, to help keep the fuel cool and shit,
Yeah.
or-
Yeah, and the carb from getting hot, right?
This is a piece of aluminum.
Yeah. Should have kept the cooler day.
We can wait.
Got a whole shop right there, but let's work outside.
Yeah, but we're working to get it in.
Cold, Hirsch?
Came
No.
out first time was like, fuck you guys. And it stayed in. Time just now.
Yeah.
I didn't even put a carburetor on, poured gas down it and started it.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck? Did you take the little bolts I had here?
No.
Or they just, okay. I grabbed two more.
Did they fall or
Yeah,
did they knock them
must
down?
have. Yeah, I can actually see it. Well, I swear I was looking.
Yeah, I don't think it has brakes.